Hello students, welcome to the online teaching learning process of subject microprocessor. So we are in the second unit and today we will study the last topic of our second unit, that is to study different assembler directives and assembler operators. So the learning outcomes of this video includes to study the functionality of different assembler directives and assembler operators. POs mapped are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to assembler directives. Assembler directives are the statements that gives direction to the assembler to perform a task of assembly process. So what are assembler directives? These are the statement that gives direction to the assembler to perform a task of assembly language process. Assembler directives are also called as pseudo opcodes or false opcode. Pseudo means false. So assembler directives are not internally processed. So they are called as false opcodes. Opcode means operational codes. So the first and important assembler directives is DB. DB stands for define byte. Byte is of 8 bit. It is used to declare a variable of 8 bit. The DB directives is used to reserve 8 bit of memory location in the available memory. Suppose we give example is given is of number. Number is nothing but the variable. Instead of number we can give x, y, z, anything. So x db 12h, that means x is a variable defined byte, means how many bit variable, 2 bit 8 bit, but in hexadecimal we represent 8 bits in 2 digits. One hexadecimal digit equals to 4 bits, so 2 hexadecimal digits will be 8 bit. So variable name db and any number 12h. Similarly, second assembler directory is DW. DW stands for define word. Word is of 16 bit. So it is used to declare a variable of 16 bit. It reserves 16 bit of memory in the available memory location. The syntax is the same. Variable name, that is number, or in any name you can suggest. Then DW stands for define word, that means the number is of 16 bits, so 4 hexadecimal digit will come. 4 hexadecimal digit means 16 binary bits. Next is DD, that is define double word. Double word means double of word, that means 32 bits. It is used to declare a variable of 32 bit. So the syntax is again same. Variable name, assembler directives, that is DD, and how many hexadecimal digits will come? 8, because one hexadecimal digit equals to 4 binary bits, therefore 8 hexadecimal digits will be equals to 32 binary bits. DQ stands for define code word. Code word means 64 bits. So 16, the syntax is same. So total number of hexadecimal digit will come as 16. Segment. Segment assembler directive is used with the name of the segment to indicate the start of that logical segment. What does the segment assembler directive do? This directive is used with the name of the segment, that is code segment, data segment, extra segment, like that. So what does the segment assembler directive tells us? It tells us that a particular segment is being started. Similarly, end as directive is used to specify that a particular segment is ending, that is code end as. Code segment means code segment is starting. Code end as means code segment is ending. Data segment means data segment is starting. Data end as means data segment is ending. Similarly, Next is assume. It tells the assembler the name of the logical segment which is used for a specified segment. Assume, here simply assume is assembler directives in which we have to assume any segment with that particular name. Assume DS as data segment. So what we have done here is we are assuming DS. Wherever the DS is written, it will be treated as data segment. Wherever CS is written, it will be treated as code segment. Likewise, so we are just assuming that the particular name is of that particular segment. Equate, it is used to give the name, give a name to some value or a symbol. So the example is pi equals to pi, pi variable name, x equals to 3.14, so pi equals to 3.14. So eq is used to give the equate. Procedure, PROC, assembler directive, it is used to indicate the start of the procedure. Similarly, NP is used to specify that the procedure is being ended. Likewise, there is ORG. ORG assembler directive tells that the origin of a particular segment. Align, alignment of memory address. Similarly, there are different assembly operators like duplicate, length, size and offset. So the important MSBT related questions are: state the use of assembler directives. In this question, uh, only we have to list any 2 or 3 assembler directives. Functions of assembler directives, like procedure. What does PROC stand for? It indicates start of the procedure. ORG for origin. Align is to align the memory location. E1 is to select the E1 memory addresses. And explain the function of assembler directives. DB, define byte, it is used to reserve 8 bits of memory. DW is used to reserve 16 bit of memory. Define byte, define word, define double word, define chord. Likewise, explain the use of any 2 assembler directives like duplicate. So we have learned today about the different assembly language, operators and directives. So thanks for watching the video.